Next in Scratch, we are going to design a robot which is going to move in forward direction, that is right. And if it gets a ball, then it is going to go to x0, y0. And if it gets h, then it is going to go to x150, y150 coordinates. So here, first of all, we are going to take a ball sprite. Here I am taking basketball. So this is a basketball and I'm fixing its position. So here in motion, there's an option go to X. Here we can fix its position. Here X is 196 and Y is minus 118. So if we fix its position and if we try to change its position and click on this, it will going to go to the same position, that is X is 196 and Y is minus 118. Now another sprite we have to take is a robot sprite. Here we are going for this robot, and this robot is provided with different costumes. We don't want these, so I'm deleting this. I want this only one costume. Now what we want, that whenever green flag is clicked, then this robot should move right hand side. So for that, we'll go to event, and event when green flag is clicked, then in motion point to the direction 90. That means it is going to move in right hand side, and in that we have to move this robot 10 steps. So we can see that it is moving 10 steps in a single click. Now in control, we will go for forever, and in this forever we are going to put if else. So this is our if else. Now we want that robot should move this side, and if it gets this ball, then it should go to coordinates 0 0, and if it gets this h, then it should go to coordinates 100 100. So for that we'll go to sensing, and in this sensing we are provided with options like touching mouse pointer. If we open this, you can see that here we are provided with h, basketball and all, and another option for this is touching color. We don't need this option, we need this option, upper one. So we are going to put this here, and instead of pointer, here I'm saying basketball. If it touches basketball, then it should go to coordinates 0 0, x is 0 and y is 0. We can find it in motion. So here you can put x is 0, y is 0. Here I'm changing its x and y coordinates. And if in case if it doesn't find this ball, then it should be striking with this edge. So another case for this is if it touches this edge, then again we'll go to this sensing, and no, in sensing, not in sensing, in control, and again here we are going to put this if, and in if we have to put again this touching, and here instead of ball we are going to put h. If it touches the h, then it should go to coordinates, here it should be 0. Here I'm saying x as 100 and y as 100. Now whenever we'll click this green flag, it is going to move right hand side. First of all, it is going to touch this ball. So when it will touch this ball, it is going to go to coordinates x as 0 and y as 0. So it has reached position x is 0 and y as 0. Here we can see that coordinate x is 0 and y is 0. Now removing this ball from here, and now if I try to move this robot right hand side, it is again moving right hand side. Now it is going to touch this wall, this edge. So in this condition, it is going to go to x 100 and y 100. has touched the wall, and here the robot has come, and here we can see that our coordinates are x is 100 and y is 100.